Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to mark an item as sent on Vinted in 2026. So after you ship a sold item, making it as sent is important so that the buyer can track it and Vinted knows the order is moving forward. So first of all, come here on vinted.com. Afterwards, log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here on the home page itself, you will see this message icon. When you click on it, it is going to redirect you here in your inbox. So you need to open the conversation for the item that you have just sold. Inside the order page, you will see your shipping details. So here, something important that you need to understand. If you used a Vinted generated shipping label, you usually don't need to mark it manually. Once the courier scans the package, Vinted automatically updates the order to sent. But if you shipped the item yourself using your own delivery method, you will need to mark it manually. So when you click on the mark as sent option or confirm shipment from the order page, simply click on it. Then Vinted may ask you to enter the tracking number. So you need to paste the tracking code from the courier and confirm. Once it is done, the order status changes to sent and the buyer gets notified. So this is going to help protect you as a seller and keeps everything tracked inside Vinted. So that's how you can mark an item as sent on Vinted in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.